Welcome everyone to an unboxing of the Soundcore Space One noise cancelling headphones. The slogan is crowd noise down and noise cancelling up, which is a pretty clever slogan. So going over the box itself, just some quick features on the side. Not too much though, most of it's listed on the back. So noise reduction, has various features such as transparency mode, so basically allows you to hear your surroundings using the microphones. Superbly rated battery life, so 40 hours. But of course, I'll be putting that to the review, the testing, and everything, see what we kind of get out of there in real life expectations, because those battery results and whatever else is listed is usually conducted in a lab. So we'll see what we get in real life performance in all the regard. So here are the headphones themselves. Kind of liking that blue accent on the side. So this is the black model that I chose, but you got that blue accent kind of going down the edge. It's pretty neat. I like that. Makes it a bit distinct. So just reading the pamphlet, it's basically saying that there's a sensor inside. You can just kind of make it out. And that sensor is basically designed so that it'll have auto play pause. So when you take the headphones off, it'll automatically pause your content. When you put the headphones back on, it'll detect that you're wearing them and resume your content. So a pretty typical feature you find in most mid-tier or premium headphones. It's nice to see in such inexpensive headphones. So looking over the manual itself, it seems to be much larger than it needs to be. There are various languages, but this is like, to me, just a waste of paper. Just could have just had a URL. You could visit a website and go to the instructions there. But anyway, the other pamphlet was safety and warranty information. And here's the traveler's pouch, but it's soft. So I just want to keep that in mind. Auxiliary cable, 3.5 millimeter. And a USB-C port. Well, actually, it's USB-A to USB-C. Unfortunately, it's not pure USB-C. But that's pretty much it. So if you want to see a review of the Space One, be sure to check out the link in the video description. Also in the video description is a link to my website and social links. Hit the like button, subscribe, and thanks for watching.